Hello, my name's Karen Kilner and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and you can find me at kkcardcraft.net. Thanks for coming in and watching. I'm going to show you how I made this nice box. As you can see, it's got a lovely bird on it. It's a nice size, it's 4x4, and I think that is, bear with me, I'll tell you, and it's 1.5 inches deep. It's a self-closing box and it's made out of one piece of paper. As you can see, you can put it down and it folds flat, so you can store it. But it holds quite a bit, and it's quite sturdy. The decorations I used for this box, this lovely little bird, comes from the Petal Palette stamp set, and as you can see, it's got a bird and it's got these some lovely stamps, and it's also got some lovely sentiments as well. It's a 2-pack set, so there's quite a lot for your money. And also with that is some beautiful paper that I'm going to use to decorate my second box. And to get the cutouts, it's also got some framelets, Petal and More framelets to go with it, so it comes in a beautiful suite. I'm going to make a simpler decoration for my next box, and a different colourway. I'm going to be using rich raspberry for the box, and I'm going to be using a piece of this paper, and as you can see, I've cut a bit out and I've coloured. And the brilliant thing about this paper is it's beautiful black and white, but you can also colour it. And I've used my blender pens and I've coloured it in, and I'm going to be using that for the top of my box, along with some smoky slate to put the sentiment on the top of that, with some, that's wild wisteria, I think, bear with me, I can't remember the name, yeah, Wisteria Wonder, sorry, not wild wisterias, Wisteria Wonder, so I should be using that as well. So to make the box, this is the first time, you need to do a bit of scoring. Oops. So as I say, it just is an A4 piece of cardstock, and you need to score it on the long side at 1.5 inches. And I'll put all these measurements on my blog, so if you go to the description box down below, it'll be my blog. You can get straight to my blog and this post. So 1.5, sorry, I'm losing my thing, 5, 7 and 11 inches. And then you turn it over to the short side, and you need to score it at 5/8. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.5. Sorry, 5/8, 2 1/8. I'm looking at the. So that's there. 2 1/8, 6 1/8. And 7 5/8. There you go. So I'll show you, I'll get a bit closer. Oops. So you can see my score lines there. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video, and then I'm going to take some photos so I can show you exactly where to cut, and then I'll be back. See you soon. Hi, I'm back again, and as you've seen from the pictures where to cut, I hope it's fairly self-explanatory. So this is what the piece of paper the Rich Husband looks when it's all cut. I've folded and burnished all the creases, so just ready to assemble. So I've popped some tear and tape on this edge, and I'll just take, oops, just take that off. There we go. And then all you'll need to do is fold that down, and that should meet there. And there you go, there's your box. So it's just one edge to sit down. So to decorate it, so that's going to be my front. No, it's not that. So that'll be my back. Yeah. So this is my front. So I'm going to pop this wild wisteria on the front there. I keep saying wild wisteria, it's not, it's what Wisteria Wonder. I don't know why I've got, perhaps I'm feeling in a wild sort of mood. Oh dear. Get your head back in, out of the filth, Karen. Right. So as you can see, I like to use my sort of pokey, I call it a pokey tool. Just to, so that will go in there like that. And then I've got the same colour to put all the sides on. I hope this isn't too boring for you. I tried to get everything prepared, so this stamp set is so versatile, and the whole suite is just absolutely beautiful. Lots of playing to do with it, lots of ideas, so you'll probably see more of it at a later date. And you're going to see when I decorate the front, it also comes with some beautiful embellishments, and I'll show you those in a moment. There we go. So with these flaps, just so that it fits in a little bit better, you just might need to mitre that one edge, and then you'll be able to close the box. Actually, I forgot to do that. I forgot to mitre the edges, so we'll do that one. Not always the best time to do it when you've got your box together, but these things do happen, as I say. So just so that it sits in the box better and closes better. Just do the other side as well. I keep moving away from the camera, I do apologise. I'll get used, I keep saying that, I'll get used to all of this. So it probably would have been better when I was cutting it. Let's get rid of all of this. But as I was saying, there's some beautiful embellishments that go with it, so you can hang those with a bit of cotton. I don't know whether you can see. Hang those with a little bit of cotton. And I'm going to put one of these, whoops, I'm going to stick one of these on, and it's got a beautiful little pearl on it there, so you can get box them. So sometimes it's worth, in the catalogue it's all on one page, so you can see what everything that goes with it. So you've got your embellishments, they've got some beautiful organza ribbon as well. I haven't got any of that yet, and there's an embossing folder. There's the paper that I've got, and I've got this, and the stamp set and the Thinlits come in a bundle, so if you buy them both together you get 10% off, so look for these bundle things here. So it's a bit cheaper to buy it all together. So here's my flower. Now, as you can see, I stupidly took it from the bottom, the edge of the paper, so I've got a straight line. So I'm going to pop that on, and I'm going to put that Best Wishes over the top. And this Best Wishes framelit, I've got it from it's from the Petals, I keep getting it wrong, Petals and More framelits, which goes with this stamp set. So now to put these on, I'm going to put some dimensionals just to give it a little bit of a lift. Now, as you can see, the colour has come through the other side of the paper. That is normal. I've used the blender pens, and that is normal. It's a sign of a good quality pen, because what it does, the blenders suck up, the paper sucks up all the things, so it helps it blend beautifully. So here we go. This has got to be irritating you, because it's irritating me, this paper moving. I'm going to need to get some blue tack, I think, to stick it down. Let's see if I remember for the next one. And also, if you just push a little bit on your dimensionals, then they come off quite easy. So I'm just going to bend that slightly so that it gives it a bit of... I'm going to put it at that angle there, I think. Then put a couple of dimensionals and one in the middle. So just give it if you give it a press in the middle, then they just come off. And I'm just going to pop that there like that. Then where have I put it? There it is. So I've got my little embellishment. No, I think it needs to go there. So to put that on, I'm just going to put some glue dots on this. So just put... It's not picking it up. There we go. Just going to put a couple of those on. They are quite sticky. And as I say, I'll put Best Wishes on this one, and I'll put Thank You on my other one. There. I think that looks quite nice. So then, as I say, you can either store it for when you need it, for somebody's birthday, or just a little thank you gift, or as I say, and then close the box. Just going to have to trim that down a little bit. There. Fix like. There you go. So took the same box, but you can make them look so different, and I think this set's so versatile you wouldn't believe it all came from the same set. Thank you for watching. Bye.